Phones have always been the best of what Samsung has to offer, and the Galaxy Note 10 is without any doubt one of the best premium Android smartphones. But the best doesn't come cheap, right? You have to spend at least around Rs 70,000 for it. This is where the brand new Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes in the picture. The Note 10 Lite aims to offer a flagship experience at a relatively affordable price point. The Lite version offers the same Galaxy S Pen stylus and a flagship-grade camera. As far as the processor is concerned, the Note 10 Lite is powered with the same processor that we have seen in the Galaxy Note 9 that was launched way back in 2018. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. It has FHD resolution and a punch-hole notch on the screen that houses a 32-megapixel camera. At the back, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite houses a triple lens camera system with three 12-megapixel sensors.